All right, let's jump ahead to 2026. Choosing an AI coding assistant isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. It's a huge decision that can literally shape your entire workflow. So with all these options, how in the world do you pick the right one? Well, we're going to break down the top contenders and find the perfect AI partner for you.
Look, we are way past simple autocomplete. The AI assistants of 2026, they're like true collaborators. They get the context of your whole project, they can refactor massive code bases, and they give every single developer, from rookie to veteran, a serious advantage. So, who are the big players on the field? Let's do a quick fire round and meet the most important AI assistants out there, breaking down what makes each one tick and, more importantly, who it's actually for.
First up, you've got the industry standard, the one everyone knows, GitHub Copilot. By 2026, it's still the most popular kit on the block, and for a very good reason. It's pretty much set the bar for what we all expect a coding partner to be.
Copilot's real strength is that it's just so powerful, yet so simple. You get these smart, real-time suggestions right inside your editor, and its integration with everything GitHub is, well, it's flawless. That's its secret sauce. It makes it a fantastic all-rounder, perfect for a beginner who needs a hand or a pro who just wants to code faster.
Okay, next up is Cursor. And this one, it takes a totally different path. See, this isn't just another plugin you install. No way. This is an entire code editor built from the ground up with AI at its very core. It completely changes how you even think about your code.
And here is where it gets absolutely nuts. Imagine changing your entire project with a single sentence. Let's say you need to update a core function that's used in like 50 different files. With Cursor, you just tell it what to do in plain English. One sentence, boom, done. It's built for those huge, complex jobs, making it a dream for anyone working on a massive project.
Now, let's talk about one of the biggest elephants in the room when it comes to AI, security. And that's exactly where Tabnine has made its name. It is the go-to assistant for big companies and anyone who's serious about keeping their code under lock and key.
Tabnine's entire game is privacy. You can run its AI models locally, right on your own machine, or in your own private cloud. That means your company's code, your secret sauce, never ever leaves your secure environment. For companies working with sensitive stuff, this isn't just a nice feature, it's a must-have.
All right, all you cloud developers, listen up. If you live and breathe inside Amazon Web Services, then Amazon Code Whisperer is without a doubt the tool for you. It was literally custom built for the modern cloud engineer.
It's just so good inside the AWS world. So whether you're building serverless apps with Lambda, writing out your infrastructure as code, or just using any of the thousands of AWS APIs, Code Whisperer just gets it. It has a native understanding of these services that the more general tools just can't compete with.
But what if you want all this awesome AI power without the price tag? Well, that's where Codium slides in. In 2026, it's holding the crown as the best and most powerful free AI coding assistant you can get.
And let's be clear, free does not mean weak. Not at all. Codium offers surprisingly good autocomplete, it works with a ton of different languages, and it even has some really solid AI debugging help. This makes it a complete no-brainer for students, hobbyists, or any developer who wants to get into AI assistance without a subscription. Okay, we've met the contenders. Now for the fun part. Let's put them head-to-head so you can figure out which one is the absolute best choice for your specific workflow.
Because that's the question that really matters, isn't it? The best tool out there isn't the most popular one, it's the one that just clicks with how you work. All right, let's make this super simple. If you need a reliable, do-it-all assistant, go with GitHub Copilot. If you're tackling huge, complex projects and refactoring all day, Cursor is going to be your best friend. For anyone in a big company where security is everything, Tabnine is the only real choice. Live and breathe in the AWS cloud? Code Whisperer, no question. And if you're just starting out or you just want a powerful tool for free, go download Codium. It really all comes down to what you spend your day doing.
You know, this whole thing is way bigger than just picking a tool. It's about a fundamental shift in what it even means to be a programmer. We're moving away from writing code line by line and more towards directing a really smart AI.
And the results are just staggering. We're seeing developers who really master these tools become 5, sometimes even 10 times more productive. They're spending less time on the boring boilerplate stuff and more time on high-level design and creative problem-solving. This isn't just a small bump, it's a revolution.
And this really gets to the heart of that big fear, right? But the truth is, these tools aren't here to replace you.
They're here to amplify you. They take care of all the tedious stuff, which frees up your brain to focus on creativity and the big picture. You're not being replaced, you're being upgraded.
So, we've toured the landscape, we've compared the big dogs, and we've peeked into the future. The way forward is crystal clear. Every developer needs an AI partner in their corner.
At the end of the day, the choice is yours. The most important thing is to pick the tool that fits your style, really learn it inside and out, and make it a part of your daily grind. Because in 2026, the future of programming is collaborative. It's all about building smarter, faster, and better together with AI.